Oh my Oh my god. Oh my god.
That was
You
fun,
owe me your
Savannah.
firstborn. You just owe me your firstborn. Or a kidney. Or, you know, a kneecap.
You've done this already.
Just only once though.
You've done it twice. You've done the impossible. That was so fun.
All right. Woo! Joy.
That was good. She was like, oh my god, I hate you.
I was like, Denise, I hate you.
So apparently now I owe her my firstborn.
Or a kidney. Or
Something close. I don't know.
That's a big debt.
it is.
Yes. Do one more. Do one more.